Laibu. Her real name is Laibu Nasrina and professionally known as Laibu. She is currently 28 years old. Laibu Nasrina is one of the most beautiful models from Minecraft. The gorgeous Laibu belonged to Russia. From her childhood, she always had and dreamed to become an actress. Number 2. Yes, she is currently 25 years old. Her favorite hobby is traveling and photo shooting. She has a lot of friends. In one video, she sneaks makeup to class. She always socializes with her friends. Number 3. Victoria. Her real name is Victoria Nikova and professionally known as Victoria. She is currently 29 years old. She was born in Russia. Apart from an actress, Niliva is also a dancer and choreographer. Because of her glamour and standout personality, many people follow Minecraft to only see her acting. Number 5. Liu Arthur is an Liu. Liu is an other male Minecraft member name. She is currently 28 years old. Mostly, Liu played a crazy and nutty character on the 5 Minecraft screen. Once Liu and Anna together appearance in the video, If You Love Was a Person. Number 5. Adam is a humble and gentle character from Minecraft. He is currently 31 years old. Adam portrays himself on the Minecraft video as very gentle. Number 6. Laura Nura is a Russian model who loved and dared why she joined Minecraft. She is currently 26 years old. Mostly she worked for Wild1. She also worked for many other media companies at first like Live Minecraft. Thanks for watching. Like our video and subscribe my channel.